What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Josh. You can call me JD, and I have been waiting to do this review for a really long time. I'm going to be reviewing one of the nicest colorways to drop of the Jordan 1 in a really long time. I will be talking about the Jordan 1 Dark Mocha. What up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the shoe. We'll get into the colorway as well as the quality of the sneaker. Some people were calling this the sneaker of the year. We'll get into that as well. Of course, I will be covering resale predictions, and as always, I will be giving you guys that on-feet look. So make sure you stick around until the end of the video. Before we get into the sneaker, guys, as you know, the Jordan 1 Mochas are one of the most hyped pairs of Jordan 1s to drop recently. And there has been a ton of fake pairs of these floating around. So if you want to make sure that your pair is authentic, make sure you download Legit app. Legit app is available both on Apple and Android devices. They authenticate not only sneakers, but also luxury items as well as streetwear and bear bricks. And it really couldn't be easier to get your sneakers authenticated. Simply take pictures of your shoe, upload them through the app, and get your shoes legit checked for as little as $3. I have been using the app myself for pretty much every single sneaker I've copped lately for resale. And just for you guys, you can get one legit check done for free by using the code JDKick6. I will leave a link to the app in the description. Make sure you guys go ahead and download the app. And once again, use the code JDKick6 to get one free legit check. So the Jordan 1 Mochas, these released in the United States all the way back on October 31st. They have been delayed many times here in Europe, and the official release date now is December the 19th. So I guess I got these kind of early. I did end up paying resale for it, and I got them for a really good price. I paid 300 euros, which is about $340 American, which I was pretty happy with. I think that's a good price, especially when you look at prices right now. They have gone up since I bought them, and I was okay with paying that price. I'm probably gonna get an L on release date, and this was a pair that I really wanted to cop. I've seen a lot of people calling this the sneaker of the year, and I gotta be honest, guys, I will disagree there because it is just another colorway of the Jordan 1. It's a really nice colorway, but I don't know about sneaker of the year. I think a much more appropriate title for this is definitely the Jordan 1 of the year. Let me know down in the comments if you guys agree with that. Do you think this is the best colorway of the Jordan 1 this year? There has been a lot of really nice colorways. If I had to pick my top 3 Jordan 1 colorways of the year, I would say the Mochas would be number 1. At number 2, probably the metallic navies, another super clean colorway. And at number 3, I would probably have the Jordan 1 Zooms that came out earlier this year. That gray pair, I thought that was a super slept on release as well. Let me know down in the comments. Give me your top 3 Jordan 1s of the year. Let's get into the shoe. So the color blocking, it's simple. We have that black toe color blocking, and we got the mocha brown at the back of the shoe. And when it comes to Jordan 1s, there's nothing I like better than black toe color blocking. Any colorway with the black toe looks so dope on Jordan 1s. 2 of my favorite colorways of all time have to be the Chicago black toes as well as the fragments, and I was very happy they did the black toe treatment on this pair as well. I think you can never ever go wrong with the black toe. You can put any colorway at the back, it doesn't matter. You add the black toe to it, bam, it is always fire. Of course, a lot of people were saying that this pair reminds them of this one. This is the Travis Scott Jordan 1s. The prices of this sneaker are obviously out of range for a lot of people right now. In terms of colorway, they look very similar, but in my opinion, these are completely different shoes, specifically because of the quality. Unfortunately, Jordan brand kind of disappointed us with the quality on this Mocha 1 pair. The leather, at least on my pair, the leather does not feel good. It's not soft at all. There's no tumble to it. The leather almost has like a plasticky feel to it. And also this suede at the back, it's not the best quality suede that I've seen on a Jordan 1. And it's disappointing because we have seen much better leather than this on other Jordan 1s this year, such as the metallic navies, which had really nice leather, as well as that lucky green pair that dropped very recently. That also had some super buttery leather on it. So I just don't know why there's so many differences in leather quality when you go from colorway to colorway with Jordan 1s. But I gotta be honest too, I did not buy this pair for the leather quality. I bought it simply because I really like this colorway. It is just a super easy pair to wear. It's super easy to style these with some brown pants. You can rock black pants. You really don't have to think too much when rocking this in an outfit. Here I'm just wearing it with a simple beige hoodie as well as some brown corduroy pants. I will be wearing these shoes a lot. There will be a lot of fit pics. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here at JDKick6. These sneakers come with black laces. They also come with a pair of white laces. But what I did was I threw on some cream laces on my pair, and I feel like that took this shoe to a whole nother level. You kind of get this whole coffee and cream vibe. And by the way, these laces are my own. I will be launching my own brand of laces very soon, and I'll probably be doing a giveaway as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. So yeah, I threw on the cream laces on this pair, and that is definitely what I'm gonna be keeping on this. I just think it looks so nice on this mocha colorway. If you've never worn a pair of Jordan 1s before, and I doubt that there's many of you who haven't, but if you haven't worn a pair before, just go true to size. Whatever your size is in any Nike Air Max sneaker, for example, you'll fit the same in Jordan 1s. Let's get into resale. Before we do that, make sure you do all that good stuff. Hit that like button if you found this video useful so far. It really helps out the channel. I also wanted to say thank you for all the love on the channel. I read through every one of my comments, and I get very few negative comments. So I really appreciate the positivity and all the support on this channel. All right, so let's talk about resale. Now, a lot of people are asking this question: should I sell my pair before these release in Europe? Will prices go down after these release in Europe? Yeah, of course they will. When you add a ton of supply to any item, prices will come down. However, I really don't think they're gonna drop as much as some people think they will. In fact, I don't even see these going below 300. All sizes I expect to stay above 300 even after the Europe drop. There's just a lot of demand for this shoe. So if you really do need the money, yeah, I would probably sell it right now before it releases in Europe. However, if you don't need the money, these are an easy hold. In fact, this is one of the most, I think, predictable sneakers that has dropped recently. We know Jordan 1s in general are a pretty safe investment, and a colorway that is this much in demand, I think it's a very obvious hold. There's been a lot of rumors about the stock numbers. Some people were saying there was like 500,000 pairs. I don't think any of that is true because it seemed like these were really hard to get in the US. And if stock numbers really were that high, I don't think we would see as high of a resale price as we do right now. There's been really few GR colorways of a Jordan 1 that has dropped in the last 2 years that has had as high of a resale price in the first couple of weeks as the Mochas. If you want to kind of get a feel for how high these prices could be, I say have a look at the Obsidian ones. Those have increased in price like absolutely crazy, and I expect these to perform very similar to those. In fact, if I'm wrong and the prices do actually drop below 300, expect your boy to buy a lot of pairs. For those of you who really wanted this sneaker and took an L, the best time to cop, in my opinion, would be about a week after the European release. So final thoughts, are these a cop or a drop? Now, I'm gonna be honest, guys, this is the first Jordan 1 in 2 years that I've actually been genuinely excited about. The last time I was this excited about a general release Jordan 1 was 2 years ago when the Rookie of the Year dropped. Since the Rookie of the Years dropped back in 2018, I have not copped a single GR Jordan 1 colorway for myself, simply because there's just too many colorways. We're getting new Jordan 1s every single week, so I was kind of getting tired of it. But then this colorway came along and I had to look at it and I'm like, yeah, this I'm definitely copping for myself. I'm gonna pay resale for them. I'm gonna cop them early. It's a Christmas gift to myself, I guess. And then you throw the beige laces on there, elevates the shoe to a whole other level. So for me, these are definitely a cop. The on-feet portion of the video coming up right now. Once again, follow me on Instagram. The handle is right here. It is at JDKick6. Thank you guys so much once again for all the support on the channel, and until next time, peace.